This is gonna blow your mind. Have you ever wondered how fish breathe underwater? It's a question that has fascinated people for centuries. After all, we humans need air to survive. So how do fish manage in a world without open air? The answer lies in a remarkable adaptation, Gills. These feathery organs are the key to unlocking the secret of underwater breathing. Taking care of guppies, or any fish for that matter, is a big responsibility. We become caretakers of their watery world. And a crucial part of that world is understanding how fish breathe. Why is this so important? Because just like us, fish need oxygen to live. Without oxygen, they can't survive. It's as simple as that. By learning about fish respiration, we become better equipped to provide a healthy and thriving environment for our aquatic companions. Let's dive into the fascinating world of fish gills, the incredible organs that allow fish to breathe underwater. These remarkable organs are located on either side of a fish's head, and they play a crucial role in the fish's survival. They may look like delicate feathers, but they are powerful oxygen extractors working tirelessly to keep the fish alive. Here's how they work. As water flows over the gills, tiny blood vessels within the gills extract dissolved oxygen from the water. It's like a delicate dance between water and blood vessels, a perfectly synchronized process. This oxygen is then transported throughout the fish's body, giving it the energy to swim, eat, and thrive in its underwater world. Section 4. Oxygen, the breath of life, even underwater. We've established that oxygen is crucial for fish survival. But did you know that the amount of oxygen in water can vary greatly? Factors like water temperature, pollution, and even the number of fish in a tank can impact oxygen levels. Warmer water tends to hold less oxygen than cooler water. That's why it's important to monitor water temperature, especially during warmer months. Section 5. Happy gills, happy guppies, maintaining oxygen levels. Creating a well-oxygenated environment is vital for the health and happiness of your guppies. Oxygen is essential for their survival, and a lack of it can lead to serious health issues. Here are some practical tips to keep those gills happy and ensure your guppies thrive in their aquatic home. Aquarium size matters. Choose an appropriately sized tank for your guppies. A larger tank provides more surface area for oxygen exchange. Overcrowding can lead to oxygen depletion, making it harder for your guppies to breathe. Always avoid overstocking your tank. The power of filtration. Invest in a good filtration system. A quality filter not only removes waste but also helps aerate the water, ensuring a steady supply of oxygen. It not only removes waste but also helps aerate the water, creating a healthier environment for your guppies. Air stones, tiny bubbles, big impact. Consider adding an air stone to your tank. These small devices create a constant stream of bubbles that increase oxygen levels. The constant stream of bubbles increases oxygen levels, making it easier for your guppies to breathe and stay active. Plants, nature's oxygen factories. Live aquatic plants are more than just decorations. They play a crucial role in maintaining oxygen levels in your tank. They release oxygen into the water as they photosynthesize, providing a natural and continuous source of oxygen for your guppies. By following these simple tips, you can ensure that your guppies have access to the life-giving oxygen they need. A well-oxygenated tank will keep your guppies healthy, active, and happy, allowing them to thrive and display their vibrant colors. Section 6. Gasping for air. Signs of trouble in your tank. Just like humans, fish show signs of distress when they're deprived of oxygen. This can be a serious issue that needs immediate attention to prevent further harm to your aquatic pets. It's important to be vigilant and recognize these signs early on, as early detection can make a significant difference in the health and well-being of your fish. Gasping at the surface. One of the most obvious signs of trouble is when fish are gasping for air at the surface of the water. If you notice your guppies frequently swimming to the surface and gasping for air, it's a clear indication that the oxygen levels in the tank are too low. This behavior is a cry for help and should not be ignored. Immediate action is required to rectify the situation. Lethargy and loss of appetite. Another sign of oxygen deprivation is when fish become lethargic and lose interest in food. Oxygen-deprived fish often become lethargic and lose interest in food. They may also exhibit slow or minimal movement, staying near the bottom of the tank. Asterisk, faded coloration. Healthy guppies are vibrant and colorful. Their bright colors are a sign of good health and proper oxygen levels. If their colors appear faded or washed out, it could be a sign of oxygen depletion. This change in coloration is a visual cue that something is wrong in the tank environment. If you observe any of these signs, it's crucial to take immediate action to increase oxygen levels in the tank. This might involve performing a partial water change, adding an air stone, or increasing water circulation. These steps can help to quickly elevate the oxygen levels and provide relief to your fish. In some cases, reducing the number of fish in the tank can also help to balance the oxygen levels and ensure a healthier environment for your aquatic friends.